crap. Look at that. That just comes right out. Oh my gosh. Yeah, somebody definitely doesn't know how to watch out for this stuff. Whoa, that is crazy. This stuff is just, oh my gosh. Well, that's okay. I'm gonna be redoing this whole wall from like here. I'm not doing it all the way up. There's some pieces and whatnot up on the roof that I need to fix, but about right here, all the way down. Not all the way down to the back, hopefully, but we'll see. But it's pretty sad. Well, that's okay. This is a work in progress. I think I need a new disc. Yeah, I think I need a new disc. Okay, we're ready for the next one. Okay, well, there we go. All that needs to be replaced. You can see a big, huge gaping hole. Wonderful. Got this all out. I know exactly what I'm going to do with this. I might make the same thing, I might not, I don't know. We'll see what happens. But this whole wall is going to be replaced. Yes, sir. This whole wall is going to be replaced. Yay! Well, what I'm going to do now is, since those are gaping holes, I'm going to get that water heater back in and also that extra piece back in, and so we don't get bugs or anything extra. I know we will still get bugs, but obviously it'll be a little easier without that. So, yep, got the fridge out. Now the only thing I need to do is get it plugged in and see if it runs. So, and it looks like it's set up for propane and electric, unless there's an electric system and then the propane runs off of it, period. But I don't know entirely. So I'm going to mess around with it, get the information on there, and then we'll go from there. See what happens. Yay! One step further.
A few moments later.
Well, it looks like this piece of wood is pretty good. It is a little damp, not super wet. Obviously, that's just wet because of that stupid rel. But I'm gonna tape this up so there's nothing in there. It looks crooked. It's probably not though. Now I'm just gonna tape basically a tarp over it so we can have it won't continue to leak. So we don't get water in it. I don't want more water on the wood since of how old the camper is, you know. A lot of this hasn't been replaced. So there we go. We're gonna get that window replaced. Okay everyone, sorry I couldn't film the video remodel. I had some issues with my camera acting up, so I do apologize. But yep, I got it. I was able to get it all sealed. I should have actually used, what was it, a clear sealant instead of a white, because the white, you know, is sticking out, but I'm not super worried about it. So, but yeah, I was able to get that fixed. There is some more sealing I need to do with some seals and stuff on the actual window itself. But, you know, it's looking good. And all I did was just use plexiglass, and man, it holds, it seals, it works well. So, and that whole window doesn't leak anymore. So yay! Hey everyone, thank you for watching and tuning into this video. We appreciate all the follows, likes, and shares. And stay tuned for next time because we have some good upcoming updates for the trailer. Well, we'll see you next week.